My dear friends, Electric Uncle, Head Wale, again with you. Have a good day. And today I have brought a video on PCB designing concept, that how to penalize it and how to get a economical shipment. Based on my experience, first I will like to appreciate the supporting team of JLCPCB. Really, sincerely speaking, I appreciate them. They are very much helpful because I have an experience of different fields of 48 years near about. But during this last 1 year, I learned a lot of new things like Arduino Uno programming, coding, like PCB designing, which I didn't get time before. So now during Corona period, just sitting at home, I learned a lot, and I have a very good experience by placing order to JLC PCB. You know why? Sincerely speaking, they are very helpful. As a learner, I made mistake when I placed the order and sent the Gerber file. Their engineers are so keen that they pointed out my mistakes and asked me if they can rectify it. Yes, but there was some problem in that. So they give me option to replace it. And really, time to time, regularly, I received their emails. How to do, how to replace, to active the button. You know, they are very helpful. This is my personal opinion as per my experience. The JLC PCB is the best, and related to the software EasyEda, really it is easy. I practice for other softwares also, but 100% perfect I find the EasyEda software. Easy to use, easy to understand, easy to make changes, easy to get the things done what you want. So above all, everything is fine. So again I salute JLCPCB. So my dear friends, today I will start with a video as how to get more PCBs. As the rate is, say, for example, single layer or two layer, something like that, $2, 5 PCBs, right? So JLC PCB provide 5 PCBs of size 100 mm by 100 mm each. But your PCB is small, suppose. It is say 90 by 45. So in 100 by 100 board you can get 2 PCBs. Means in 5 PCBs you are going to get 10 PCBs if you will penalize it. In other software I found there is a provision for penalizing, but it doesn't appear. I make Gerber file in another software, send to JLC PCB, then again I have to penalize. This is the something very nice they have in their side, that you can panel the PCB designed in other softwares also. In other softwares, I didn't find this thing. JLC PCB has this provision also. Gerber file designed on other software, you just download it to place a order, and there is a provision of panel, JLC PCB panel, right? You just click it, panel it, and you will get 2 PCBs. in one board instead of one. Means 5 PCBs into 2. 10 PCBs you are going to get it for $2. Plus one more advantage, the shipment you can select. DHL is 6 times costlier than this airmail, registered airmail. Of course it takes time if you are not in hurry. You choose that method. Just for $7 I get in Delhi, in India. And DHL price is $45. See how much difference? $7 shipment, $2 for 10 PCBs means 10 PCBs for $10. Nothing. So, my dear friends, let us proceed and watch my video carefully how to penalize it in EasyEda, as well as a comparison in the next half part of this video that Gerber file designed on an other software, how I make it panel, JLC panel I selected to make 2 PCBs in one board, so 10 PCBs like that. And now I am designing again the JLCPCB suggested me. In EasyEda, I will send that PCB again to them. They are very, very cooperative. So, let us proceed. So, my dear friends, here this is the board file which I will penalize and then make a Gerber file to place a order. Here is the penalize button in the tools. Just click it and select the column and row, and must select this V cut also at the top. So 2 columns, 1 row, 2 columns, 2 rows. This is the small PCB. So I will make 4 PCBs in one PCB, you can say. So that I will get 20 PCBs for $2. Now this is penalized, and in EasyEda it shows that it has been penalized, but in Eagle I didn't find. In Eagle I make penalized, but I didn't see how it appears to be. So from here, now we will make Gerber file of it. Generate PCB, fabrication, Gerber file. This is the EasyEda software. I am working on it. The next half part will be with Eagle board file. How I get it penalized with the help of JLCPCB. Now it is ready. Now you can generate Gerber file from here. Just click at the bottom, and then we will proceed with JLCPCB to upload it for the order. Now it will come on our desktop by clicking it. Here we can save it on our desktop. And afterwards, now you see at the bottom it is Gerber PCB wave rectifier, right? So now we will open the JLCPCB website. They are the best manufacturer as per my experience. Very supporting team they have. Now here you can add that Gerber file which you downloaded from EasyEda on your desktop. So select it and add it from our desktop. Now this PCB will be penalized because we have done it before in EasyEda. Otherwise, if you forget to make penalized this PCB in EasyEda, you can penalize it in JLCPCB site also. After downloading, I will show you from where you can penalize it if you forget to penalize it in EasyEda. Right? Now here is the PCB, same view as we saw in EasyEda, But in Gerber I didn't see it. So I have to penalize from this side, JLCPCB, the Gerber file made in Eagle. Now here it is written panel by JLCPCB. So if you forget, you can click that. I will show you in the next part how to penalize from JLCPCB site also with the help of this Gerber file of Eagle, how I got penalized. Now you can choose registered mail. It is very economical. See, $7 only, 7.8 up to Delhi from China, Hong Kong, and DHLC 46, 6 times more, right? So to make it economical, just wait. If you are not in a hurry, it takes time, 15 to 20 days, 30 days, like that. But it is economical. If you are want it urgent, then you can proceed with DHL. So like that, you can get in $10 only 20 PCBs of this size. So now we'll move to the Eagle part. This is the board file I made in Eagle. So I will make Gerber file of it. First I will penalize it, right? But the appearance I couldn't see. Now I am going to be penalize it. From the tools menu, just go penalize, execute it. But the view will not change. View will remain same. So you can say I am in dark, right? So now we will make a Gerber file of it after penalizing, and from here direct in one click we can make Gerber file, right? In Eagle software I am showing you. It's okay. Rest everything is fine. But the penalize, maybe I couldn't understand. Maybe somewhere hidden in the software I couldn't see my penalized PCB. Otherwise, the size is 45 by 80. So I will get 10 PCBs for $2. Means in one board there will be 2 PCB and 5 PCB they are giving for $2. And now again I will penalize it. After Gerber file, I will upload it to JLCPCB site to order for manufacturing. Now I will open again JLCPCB. You see the comparison in the before first part and this second part. Now just we will order now. We will add this Gerber file made in Eagle software. Open it, and then we will proceed for penalizing it so that I will get 10 PCBs, not 5. In 100 by 100 mm board, there can be 2 PCBs. So 5 means 10 PCBs I will get. And share the airmail, the shipping method I will choose. So it will be more 10 PCBs for $10. Now it is getting downloaded. Then we will move to panel it again, because I am not sure it was penalized or not in Eagle software. Now see, showing the same view, single PCB. So I will get only 5 if I will not penalize it. So there is a provision in this site also, JLPCB. You see, just look at my cursor. We will move to the panel to penalize it. Now to place order, you need to choose single PCB already chosen here. So I will get 5 only. So from here, JLCPCB has done a very good thing, that you see at the right, panel by JLCPCB. Just click it and it will be penalized here also. Means I will get 10 PCBs, 2 PCB in one board. So after, no need this panel by the customer. So no need to click it. This panel by JLCPCB we have to choose. Now here see, panel JLCPCB. Now he is asking for the column and the rows. My PCB size is 80 by 47. So I will get 2 in 1. and in 5 10 total. So number of columns we will write here. If you will write wrong, it will show below with the red line that this column and rows are chosen wrong. So we have to change it again, right? You see here it is written. So this is a very fine way. They tell you everything. So one column, 2 rows. Then this will disappear, this red line. Now it is okay. And you can proceed with the order and choose the registered airmail, the method for economical shipment. So my dear friends, hope you liked it and it may be of your use, this video, and informative to proceed with the manufacturing with JLCPCB. See, I'm not admiring them. This is my practical experience I had with JLCPCB. And you penalize it, choose the method of shipping, you will get it on very economical price. Rest it depends, 2 layer, 3 layer, 1 layer, like that, the color you choose. But as per their price you will get, as per this example, you can get 20 PCBs also. If the PCB size is more smaller, you can penalize 4 PCBs in one board. So 20 PCBs you will get. And in this example, I have size 45 by 85. So I get 2 PCBs per board. So 5 PCBs means 10 PCBs I am going to get it. So let us meet in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe it. I request again and again, this is a free education platform. Especially I launched it to pass my time, also to share my knowledge of whole life, as well as to help the fresh students and preferably who are below poverty line. So please subscribe and share. It will be an indirect help to them. Thanks. See you in next video.